CrunchBase has access to millions of records of different software companies. It has a lot of data of people who work in these companies, the people who founded these companies, and basically we can use this data in order to reach out to them and to sell our services and everything. The only problem is they charge you around $199 every single month for just 5,000 leads, which I think is not enough. But what if there was a way you can get unlimited contacts from CrunchBase absolutely free of freaking cost? It's 100% possible. All you need to do is simply go to CrunchBase and start a free trial over there. You don't have to pay them. Just create like a free trial account over here. Edit your credit card information. You don't have to pay them anything. Just create a free trial account. And after that, you can see over here, we have this like trial activated. So I activated on my account. I'm not actually paying them. I'm right now on like a trial account. After that, you can download a Chrome extension which you have created inside of LeadWave. I'll show you how you can download the Chrome extension at the end of the video. But we basically have a CrunchBase scraper over here. So you can click on this button and then open it up. Like go to CrunchBase and start scraping and everything. And now you can see our logo is over here and there's this export button which we can use to export the data. One thing you need to do is click on this settings button over here and click on this edit table view. And over here, you now have to select like all the freaking records available so that you get access to all the different data sets which we can have. Is there a way to like select all of them? I don't know. Yeah, we just have to like do it manually. I know it's kind of irritating. You just have to like simply copy paste this. Like just click on all the different fields which are available over here. Apply changes. Come over here again. Edit table view. Investor details, like turn this on as well. I know it's annoying, but again, this is basically us telling a Chrome extension like what all data do you want. So as long as these are not tech, we won't be able to provide you as much data as possible. So just come here and select all the different data which you can see. Funding. Boom, 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 boom. Team. Investors. Now, oh shit, there are a lot more things. I thought it was over. Yep, now we have basically selected all of them, applied all the changes, and now we can basically filter for the people who we want to export. And yeah, that should be enough information. All you need to do after you applied all the filters is just click on the export button over here. So you can come here, you can apply all these different filters. Like you can firstly select what do you want. Do you want companies, contacts, investors? What do you want? So let's say I only want, like, let's say I want CRM, like is CRM an industry? So let's say I only want like CRM softwares. Then basically you can apply all these different filters, play around with this. You already know how to do it. And then all you need to do is click on the export button, like turn this on, select how many entries you want at once. You can export like maximum of like 2500 results. Like yeah, just click on the export button now. And it's simply gonna start scraping all the different data. You can come over to Sheets, open it up and see what type of data you've received. Another thing you can do is you can come over to contacts as well, and you can also export contacts of basically people that work in these different companies and everything. So you can export this as well. You can come over to investors too, and now you can export like the people who invested in these companies too. You can come to more. You can also like export people. You can export acquisitions. So basically just go over to the place and just find the things and the people who you want to export, like all the data. So you can export like email, phone numbers, everything. You can export company information, and then just click on the export button over here, select how many entries you want to export, and then it's simply going to export it and give it to you in a CSV format. You can see you have like the phone number, website, so basically all the information which you're able to find, and that is how you can use the CrunchBase scraper inside of LeadWave. Now if you want to download the Chrome extension, there's going to be a button where you can click on the LeadWave app itself to click on like basically download it. So you can come here, it's going to open up a Google Drive folder, click on the download button over here, and after it has scanned for viruses and everything, it's going to start the download. All you need to do is open it up and like unzip the file, and over here you can see a folder will be created which is like LeadWave CrunchBase scraper. Then you need to click on this extension icon over here, this puzzle icon, which is the shortcut for extensions. Click on manage extensions, ensure developer mode over here is turned on. By default it will be like this. Turn it on, click on the load unpacked over here, and boom, you can see like this is the folder which we just extracted. Open it up, click on select, and now the extension is going to be added. You can see over here, you can now start exporting again. That's how you can use the CrunchBase scraper inside of LeadWave.